Hello viewers, tired of typing the invoice number manually every time? Today Learn Accounting Pro Studio will show you a one-click method that updates your invoice number automatically. No formulas, no confusion. This video walks you through adding a next invoice button that instantly increases your invoice number using a tiny VBA code. Before we begin, the invoice template and the VBA code used in this lesson are already placed in the video description. You can download them and practice alongside the tutorial. So let's start. On your invoice template, decide which cell stores the invoice number. In this example, the invoice number is in cell H4. You can use any cell you want, the code will work the same. Now we want to add the next invoice button here. So for that, go to the developer tab. If your Excel ribbon doesn't show the developer tab, right mouse click anywhere in the ribbon, then select customize the ribbon, tick the developer checkbox if not already checked, press OK. This unlocks the tools needed to add a functional button. Now let's add a button that will trigger the automatic update. Go to the developer tab, click insert, select button form control, draw the button anywhere near your invoice like this. A window will appear asking for a macro. Click new. Excel will now open the VBA editor. Inside the code window, clear this and paste this code, which you can get from the link in the video description. Then close the VBA editor. Now right mouse click the button, click on assign macro. This window will open again, and from here select the next invoice macro and then OK. What this does is, every time the button runs, Excel looks at H4, converts the value to a number and adds +1. That's your new invoice number. Now rename this button to next invoice. For that, right mouse click, select edit text and rename it to next invoice like this. Now you have a working button. Now let's test the automation. Click next invoice. If H4 was 0, it becomes 1. Click again, 2. Click again, 3. This replaces manual typing and reduces typing mistakes. Now you can adjust the alignment of this. Let's middle align it. To keep the macro working, Excel requires the file to be saved in a macro enabled format. For that, go to File, Save As. Now choose the current folder and from this list choose Excel macro enabled workbook and then save. If you save in regular xlsx format, the button and VBA code will not run. This method is perfect for business invoices, freelancers billing their clients, service companies, and anyone who wants error-free invoice numbering. The button eliminates duplicate invoice numbers, one of the most common accounting frustrations. Your invoice number can now update itself with a single click. No formulas, no hassle. Hit subscribe and like if you want more Excel automation tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next one.